Hi, today we are pleased to introduce to you the new version of our program that is Karma version 3. In the new version, we have introduced many improvements, a new interface, and a completely new configs tab. The first tab that appears is Tweaker tab, which allows us to optimize the hardware, system, and disable unnecessary options to make our use of the system more pleasant and increase our privacy. To apply all the options, I click the numbers from 1 to 4 and switch tabs using A and D. The cleaner section will clean the computer of unnecessary junk that slows down our disk and at the same time the computer. We have also added the startup cleaner option that allows you to clean your computer at every boot up to keep your computer running at high speed. Now it's time for our flagship product, the Karma engine. Our engine makes it possible to play the game at the highest speed by turning off things that are not needed during this activity. The debloat section, as in the previous version, removes unnecessary bloatware from our computer. And the new config section allows you to use the most efficient options for the most popular games. The program from now on is free, and anyone can download it by going to our Discord. Link to Discord you will find in the description.